And I just stare in your eye.
This is the Galeon 500 Fly. If you're looking for full specs, pricing, or available inventory, go to yachtspecsdirect.com. And if you're new to buying, grab the free buyer guide at yachtbuying101.com. And yeah, those are actual balconies. They drop down from both sides and instantly double your cockpit space. Galeon calls it beach mode, and once you experience it, it's hard to go back. What makes it even better? The cockpit seating rotates to face wherever the action is, whether you're docked, anchored, or just showing off to your friends at the sandbar. It's smart, clean, and designed to make the back of the boat feel more like a terrace than a transom. From the water, the 500 Fly holds its own. The profile's sleek, modern, and aggressive in all the right ways. Under the hood, it's powered by twin Volvo Penta D11s, good for cruising in the mid-20s and top speeds into the 30s, depending on the load and layout. It's not just a floating apartment, it runs. Up front, the bow is another fully usable space. Wide walkarounds lead to a recessed sunpad lounge with optional shade. This isn't just somewhere to tie a fender, it's built to be used, and it feels intentional. Inside, the galley sits aft and opens directly to the cockpit with a sliding glass door and a bar-style pass-through. Midship on the main deck, you've got your salon seating and dining area, port side. It's directly across from the lower helm and gives you a wide, open layout that doesn't feel cramped, even with guests. This layout, the engineering, the style, it all comes together in the 500 Fly in a way that feels smart. Galeon is one of the few builders that's genuinely pushing innovation in this size class without just adding fluff or gimmicks. If you want the full specs, pricing, or to see what's in stock right now, head to yachtspecsdirect.com. And if this is your first time buying, check out the free guide at yachtbuying101.com. It's built to save you time and headaches. This is the 500 Fly, a yacht that transforms to fit your lifestyle.